Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like us to start our social studies lesson by reviewing what we have learned about the Vikings. Turn and talk with your partner about what you know about the Vikings. Think about who Eric the Red was, who Leif Erikson was, and where they went. Go ahead and turn and talk with your partner now. Now, I want you to imagine you are an explorer during the 1500s. You have been on a ship for the last 20 days. You look around and there is nothing but water for as far as you can see. How do you know where you are or where you are going? What technology or tools do you think would be helpful to have? Turn and talk with your partner about your ideas. Today, you are going to have the opportunity to learn about some of the technology or tools the explorers used. You will be viewing each of these objects as part of a small group. Once you have looked at the object, discuss with your group what you think the object is, how explorers might have used the object, why you think the object was important to explorers. Have one person from your group record the ideas on your chart paper. When you hear me say rotate, you will move to the next chart with your group. Choose a new person to record for your group. Then, look at the new object on your chart and make sure you read all of the ideas that have been written on the chart. Then, discuss new ideas you have based on the questions from the board. You will continue through the same set of steps each time I say rotate until you have been to each chart paper. Remember, the guiding questions are up here on the board for you to use as you are discussing each object. Okay, you can go ahead and move to your first chart paper and begin. Now that you have had a chance to brainstorm at each chart, I need you to move to your home chart, the chart that you started at. Read each idea on the chart and discuss them as a group. Decide what you want to share out to the rest of the class about your object and what everyone else thinks about it. Now that we have had a chance to view and brainstorm some of the technology explorers used during the 1500s, I am giving you a text and a slip of paper with one or two of the objects named on it. The objects named on your slip of paper are the objects you need to become an expert about. I do want you to read the entire text, but I want you to concentrate on collecting information about your technology that you have been given. Underline important information and discuss your ideas with your group. Then, record your ideas on the new chart paper you receive and be prepared to share your learning with the rest of the class.